and chord duo. Squeeze, number 7. Getting pesky inside stall number 7. Squeeze. Outstanding favorite, Apo, Papato. Still waiting for number 7, Squeeze. And the race is on. I'm your boy from the outside. Away we go. Escapo, Squeeze. Down on the inside is Young Luke. It's now I'm your boy by about 3 lengths. Away we go. Young Luke, Apo. Papato Racing Port alongside Escapo, Squeeze, and 3 number 10 racing on the outside, and that is Make No Mistake. Moving up by the rally entry number 6, and this one is Strong Boy, Bray Magic, while Core Duo is running at the tail of the field by about 9 to 10 lengths of the leader. Back to the front runner, I'm your boy by about 3 lengths. Away we go. And by the rails, Apo, Papato, Escapo, Racing Import by the rail, Young Luke, Squeeze, Bray Magic, as they swing for home. Apo, Papato takes the lead from I'm Your Boy. Away we go. Racing on the outside, third, Bray Magic, Young Luke, Escapo, Strong Boy, Squeeze, and Core Duo. Entering the last 100 meters more to run. Apo, Papato coming home with a blazing run and scorching the field and winning this race by about 4 seconds. I'm Your Boy. Away we go. Bray Magic, Escapo, and Core